Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be my at-home spa day, a little DIY spa treatment. So the only time I ever go to the spa is to get a massage done. Besides that, I always like to do everything at home myself. My nails, waxing, pedicure, tanning, teeth whitening, all of it I do here at home by myself. I prefer doing those things myself because it saves a lot of money, saves time, I don't have to make appointments. Also, it's being done the exact way I want it to be done, and I personally just think it's cleaner rather than sharing like nail clippers with everyone else at the salon. So it's been a little while since I've had time to do all of these things since I've been really busy at the end of the year at school. So I figured I would show you all the products I use to do a DIY at-home spa day. So the very first thing I like to start off with is waxing. And the only thing I wax is my upper lip. I've been doing this myself for years and I feel like it's really effective and it's actually not that painful like people make it seem. I've tried many different brands and my favorite by far is Nads. It's this green box here and you can pretty much find this at any drugstore. I always get mine at Ulta. So I have tried the liquid wax in the past and in my opinion that one is way more messy and that one actually hurts a bit more. So I prefer buying these little pre-cut strips and then all you have to do is warm them up between your hands like this. And then they're really easy to use and ready to go. Okay, once the strip is warm, you could just peel it apart and you get two uses out of it then. So I'm starting off on the side. You simply just stick it on. I like to reheat it on here. And then when you're removing it, just rip it off in the opposite direction your hair grows. Then I always like to reuse them on the very top here. Okay, and then one more time on the other side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. And ta-da, easy as that. I did have a pimple, so now it's bleeding, but that's okay. And then once you wax it off, I just use the little oil pad that comes with them to remove any residue from the wax. And then afterwards, I like to get a set of tweezers and just clean up anything that I missed. While I still have my tweezers out, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows. Those are something I have never ever gotten done. I actually never wax them or thread them either. I always just pluck any little stray hairs myself. Now that I've finished waxing and tweezing any extra hairs, I'm gonna go ahead in with a face mask. This one is the Freeman Anti-Stress Dead Sea Mineral Clay Mask. I really like this one. So while I leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of oil to my hair. This is a Moisture and Vitamin B5 oil mist. I just washed my hair like a day or two ago, so I'm not gonna wash it again, but I do still wanna add a little bit of oil to it, especially towards the ends. I really love all of the oils from this brand. I don't know how you pronounce it, but they have really nice oils and they all smell really good and keep my hair super shiny. So a few other things I might do would be obviously shave, and then this is my favorite body lotion that I use. It's the Vaseline Intense Care Cocoa Radiant. And then if I were to self-tan, I like to use the St. Morris Professional Tan Mousse. So mousse is super easy to use, and this brand right here is a lot more affordable than a lot of the other brands. And then of course paint my nails. I'm not going to show all of that because that would be like an entire another video. But the other thing I do at home myself that I think makes the pedicure go to a whole nother level is use the Pedi Perfect. And this is a electronic foot scrub. So it comes with the pumice stone, but you can turn it on and it actually spins and helps smoothen out your feet. And then afterwards I also use the Pedi Perfect foot cream. So whenever I do this, all I do is take my clean, dry feet and I put them over a garbage can, and then I let this tool do all of the work for me. And then the very last thing I'm going to do is whiten my teeth using my Plus White 5-minute speed whitening system. So I picked this up at Walgreens. I want to say it was under 20 bucks. It comes with the gel, the mouth guard, and then also a mouthwash. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this in. You can leave it in for 5 to 15 minutes. Okay, so that completes my DIY at-home spa day. I like to do those things every 1 to 2 weeks. And like I said, this is just an easy way to save money and make sure everything is being done the way I like it to be done. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Also, I do have a spring giveaway open right now, so I'll leave a link in the description box down below in case you haven't entered already. And I will also leave a link to my Instagram account. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you until next time. Bye!